In this video, I'll show you how to cancel your Kajabi subscription. So to do this, first just open up your Kajabi dashboard. Then go to settings in the bottom left. And from there in settings, scroll down a bit until you see your account settings. Here just click subscription and billing. And then here go to billing. And then here go to change plan. Now from there you will see the plans they offer, but to cancel it, scroll down. Then you will see, do you want to park your account, so basically pause it. But if you just want to cancel it, you will find no longer happy with Kajabi. Just click cancel subscription right here. And then here just click again cancel my subscription, continue to cancel, and from here click finish cancellation, and then you can give feedback. So for example, I was just testing the platform, then click submit feedback, and from there you will then have cancelled your subscription. It now says your account has been scheduled for cancellation successfully. You will be redirected, so now you should not be billed again, and you will have successfully cancelled your Kajabi subscription. So right now you see your Kickstarter subscription is pending cancellation. So now you know how to cancel your Kajabi subscription. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.